tired of every rubbish going around. Probably exhausted with the studies too. CGPA is not good. Job is uncertain. ना ही मुल्क में रहना आसान है, ना ही उसको छोड़ना आसान है. Anxiety, depression, so on and on. And probably you have tried every milestone to solve these problems. But wait, did you try Allah Almighty? Did you try His promise? क्या आप जानते हैं सूरह फजर में अल्लाह ताला ने हमसे 10 इन दिनों का ज़िलहज्जा के 10 दिनों का वादा किया है, इसकी कसम खाई है वल फजर वल लयालिन अश्र, और कि अल्लाह ताला ने कहा है कि I swear by these 10 days. And do you know that whosoever turns to him in these 10 days, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised कि उनकी दुआओं को सुना जाएगा, उनकी तमाम की तमाम deeds acceptable होंगी और अल्लाह subhanahu wa ta'ala उन्हें reward देंगे, and your duas will be accepted inshallah in the sight of Allah. So do you really want to solve all of your issues, चाहे वो studies से related हैं, आपके काम से related हैं, ज़िंदगी के किसी मामले से related हैं, we have a best chance. We have these 10 days in front of you. Prepare yourself for these 10 days and take yourself out from all the worries that you have in your life. What you have to do, very simple. Just no matter even for the first prayer, turn to Allah. Allah की तरफ आइए. Just make sujood in front of him. उसके सामने आप यकीन जानिए सजदा करिए, और in sujood you have to make a lot of dua, and you will see that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has brought peace in your heart. और उसके बाद during these 10 days, fast maximum. स्पेसिफिकली ऑन द 9th of ज़िलहज्जा आपको रोज़ा रखना है, आपको अल्लाह ताला से रोज़े की हालत में बहुत दुआ करनी है. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि अल्लाह ताला accepts the duas of the person, the one who is in the state of fasting also. What else? Do whatever you can do, whatever you can give in charity. Charity दीजिए, no matter even less also, less amount too. Whatever, and Allah has promised and Allah will give you in return that you cannot imagine, inshallah. And then what else you have to do? You have to look into the book of Allah. आप इसके ऊपर थोड़ी सी पॉन्डरिंग कीजिए, थोड़ा सा सोचिए, और आप हैरान हो जाएंगे. You will definitely be astonished that the problems of your solution is in front of you. और उसके अलावा आपको क्या करना है? कीप योर हार्ट, कीप योर टंग, कीप योर माइंड, जस्ट फिल इट विद द रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ अल्लाह. अल्लाह का जिक्र, अल्लाह की तारीफ और इस्तग़फ़ार कसरत से कीजिए. एंड देन डेफिनेटली यू विल सी दैट अल्लाह हैज़ ड्रेन्ड ऑल योर वरीज एंड एग्जाइटीज़ फ्रॉम योर माइंड ऑल्सो. What else? Just try to look into the seerah of our Prophet, and you would find him that he faced much more difficulties than we do in our life, and yet we find him the ever most strongest person. उसके बाद बात सिर्फ इतनी सी है कि all the solution of our problems are in front of us actually, are in front of you also, but there is only one barrier, and that barrier is there between you and your Lord. You just have to drop it.